Hello my friends, and welcome to the Jewelry Channel, where you get to watch me unbox my favorite pretties. Let's see what we have today. It's a very large box, but as you know, that can be deceiving. They do love to layer on the protection, which is always a good thing, because I don't want any scratched pretties. Let's see, one more seam and one more. Okay, let's see if I got it this time. Yay! Rejoice with me. Let's make sure it's empty. Yes, I believe so. Because there is a teeny tiny box in the giant box. Okay. Let's see, my friends, what we've got here today. More wrapping. Okay. The suspense is killing me. Is this the one I've been waiting for? And yes, it is. Oh my. Just look at this gorgeous ring. Okay, we have a lot to talk about here. To begin with, we have a fancy, vivid yellow diamond. And that diamond weighs in at 1.04 carats. That's right, my friends. We have the most vivid yellow diamond that you can get, at least the classification. I don't know if it's the most vivid, but it falls into that fancy, vivid yellow category. And yes, it is a heavy carat at 1.04, and the actual ring is 18 karat yellow gold with, okay, let's just up this one more level, a platinum head. Yes, my dears, platinum head. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? I'm gonna try it on. Look at that. Oh, my wedding ring just doesn't do it justice. Although it does show the nice color contrast. Maybe I'll keep it on. I'm sorry, this is just too gorgeous. And you know, I would love to see it against a black background. So let's try. Now, doesn't that glimmer all the brighter? Okay, I think I've found my new favorite ring. It is just gorgeous. Okay, now my research tells me the diamond alone is valued at about $15,000. Of course, the setting is quite lovely indeed. I really, really like the yellow ring, the shank portion, with the platinum head. It just really brings out the color nicely. I hope you're a fan. I am in love with this ring. Very gorgeous, and it fits. Look at that, my friends. Oh, that is so lovely. Up against my platinum wedding band, it really pops. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because I'm in love. Well, thank you very much, and please be on the lookout for more of my unboxing of pretties.